Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see an oriental style recipe which is super delicious and is chicken and bok choy in hot garlic sauce, which you can enjoy with noodles, fried rice, or even with steamed rice. So let's get started with this quick, easy and interesting recipe. And here in this bowl I've taken one large chicken breast cut into medium sized portions like this. And now we will season them with some salt and black pepper as per taste. Next goes a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which will help to form a binding. And now we will mix all the ingredients so that they coat well with the chicken pieces. And we will keep this aside for 10 minutes. Then here I have taken 2 bunches of bok choy or pak choy. First we need to separate the layers or stalks, and now I'm going to wash each stalks properly to get rid of any traces of dirt. And here are our clean bok choy, and now I'm going to blanch them in hot water for just 2 minutes. Next we'll prepare a flavorful sauce. For that we'll take a bowl and into it we will add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce. And since we're preparing hot garlic sauce, I will add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce for extra spiciness. We'll now stir and mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. I'll add a little bit of water to make a free-flowing sauce. And our flavorful and spicy sauce is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that I've already heated some oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the chicken pieces one by one. And on medium flame we will fry the chicken pieces until they are crisp and well browned from both the sides. After about 1 to 2 minutes we will flip the chicken pieces and fry the other side another 1 to 2 minutes until they are done from both the sides. And by now the chicken pieces are crisp and well fried from both the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now we shall prepare the hot garlic sauce. For that we will need lots of minced garlic. I have used here 4 large garlic pods. Then goes some finely chopped ginger, say around 1.5 teaspoons. And on medium flame we will saute the ginger and garlic until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. And once these are sauteed well, we will add the fried chicken pieces and we'll saute them along with the ginger garlic for a few seconds. And now into this we will add the blanched bok choy or pak choy. And on medium to high flame we will stir fry them for 1 minute or so. We'll now season the bok choy or pak choy with a pinch of salt as per taste and some black pepper. We stir and mix this well. And now time to add the flavorful and spicy sauce which we had prepared earlier. We stir the chicken pieces and the bok choy with the spicy sauce for a few seconds. And now into this we will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour slurry, which will help to thicken the sauce. We'll mix this well and we'll allow the sauce to thicken slightly. And to balance the flavors, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of brown sugar. We'll mix this well, and now we will let the sauce simmer for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame so that the sauce thickens And in the process, the flavors of this sauce is well incorporated with the chicken and bok choy. Finally, we'll sprinkle few sesame seeds on top. And our chicken and bok choy in hot garlic sauce is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken and bok choy recipe, which is so good to enjoy with noodles, fried rice, or even with steamed rice or sticky rice. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.